Recently, the Swedish company Saab received clearance for 100% foreign direct investment in India's defense sector in October 2023. This was the first time that a foreign company had been granted such permission. The clearance was for a project to manufacture the Carl Gustaf M4, a shoulder-fired rocket system. This move underlines India's commitment to strengthening its defense manufacturing sector. And in today's video we will look into the details of Saab's Carl Gustaf M4 rifle system and understand its significance in the modern warfare. The Carl Gustaf M4, developed by the Swedish company Saab, is a modern portable and shoulder-fired weapon system with a wide range of applications in modern warfare. It's mostly used for fighting insurgents, peacekeeping and regular combat, especially in cities or complicated battle areas. The M4 is particularly effective at destroying armored tanks with add-on armor protection, neutralizing landing craft and bunkers and clearing obstacles. India's military arsenal includes a variety of weapons similar to the Carl Gustaf M4, particularly in terms of their role as portable multi-role or anti-tank systems. These weapons are a mix of indigenously developed and imported systems. Some of the notable ones include Soviet Union's RPG-7 portable shoulder-launched anti-tank rocket-propelled grenade launcher, RPG-29 Vampir rocket-propelled grenade launcher, European Milan anti-tank guided missile, Russian 9 M133 Kornet anti-tank guided missile, Swedish AT-4 single-shot anti-tank weapon, the Igla S-Man portable air defense system, Concours anti-tank guided missile and DRDO's Amoga-1 anti-tank guided missile. These weapons systems, while not identical to the Carl Gustaf M4 in terms of functionality and versatility, but perform similar roles such as anti-tank warfare, infantry support, and operation in varied combat environments. The Carl Gustaf M4, constructed using lightweight materials like titanium alloy and carbon fiber, is weighing approximately 7 kilograms. With an overall length of about 1,000 millimeters, it's equipped with a rifled barrel of the same length. The weapon operates on a trigger-actuated mechanism and is capable of a rate of fire of up to 6 rounds per minute. The M4 utilizes 84 x 246 mmR caliber rounds, which can accommodate various warhead types such as high-explosive, dual-purpose, anti-tank, fléchette, illumination and smoke rounds. A standard heat round can penetrate 400 mm of rolled homogeneous armor, and a tandem heat warhead can penetrate up to 500 mm of armor behind explosive reactive armor. The design of the weapon is user-friendly and modern, with a grip in the front and a place to rest your shoulder. It also has a part called a Picatinny rail where you can attach different types of scopes and aiming devices. Additional sighting systems like open sight, red dot and intelligent sights can be optionally mounted based on specific operational requirements. The M4 can also use special programmable bullets, which are a new thing in warfare on the ground. Carl Gustaf M4 can use a wide range of existing and future ammunition. Basically, the programmable bullets, through an interface, allows for precise engagement options, including airburst, explode on impact, or penetration modes. This means the system allows the shooter to input the fuse from the sight with the desired mode. It can be set to explode in the air, hitting something, or to penetrations in the walls or something thick. The guided Carl Gustaf munition, in particular, is capable of engaging stationary or moving targets at distances of up to 2,000 meters. The Carl Gustaf M4 has a feature called a shot counter, which counts how many times it has been fired. It lets people know how much it has been used and the time of maintenance. This helps with keeping the weapon in good condition and making it last longer. Although, the Carl Gustaf M4 has already been adopted by over 40 countries. But there are other similar systems also available, like the RPG-7, a Russian rugged and versatile rocket-propelled grenade launcher, widely used for its simplicity and effectiveness. It can fire a range of warheads and is notably cost-effective. In comparison, the Carl Gustaf M4 offers advanced sighting systems, such as red dot and telescopic sights, and the capability to use programmable ammunition, enhancing accuracy and tactical flexibility. However, the RPG-7's low cost and widespread availability make it a popular choice in various conflict regions. The Panzerfaust III is a modern German anti-tank weapon with a dual warhead system for defeating tanks with reactive armor. Its main advantage lies in its specific design for anti-tank roles. The Carl Gustaf M4, while slightly less specialized in anti-tank capability, offers broader utility with its range of ammunition types, including anti-personnel, smoke and illumination rounds. Its lighter weight and shorter length also make it more suitable for urban combat scenarios. United States M72 LAW is a compact, lightweight, 66mm single-shot anti-tank weapon. Its portability and ease of use are its main advantages. In contrast, the Carl Gustaf M4, though heavier and larger, provides significant advantages in terms of multi-role capabilities and reusability. The M4's ability to engage a variety of targets with different ammunition types makes it more versatile for diverse combat situations. Each of these systems offers unique features and capabilities. The choice between them often depends on the specific needs of the military force, including the type of conflict, the nature of the targets, and the operational environment. In conclusion, the Carl Gustaf M4, developed by Saab and now set to be manufactured in India, represents a significant evolution in portable, multi-role weapon systems. Its adaptability to a variety of combat situations, from urban warfare to anti-tank operations, makes it a versatile choice for modern militaries. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Carl Gustaf M4 missile system. If you found this video insightful, do hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more military tech insights. Your support fuels our content. Until the next video, stay curious and keep exploring.